In this video, we will unravel the secrets of unlocking treasure with crypto arbitrage serving as your compass to making money online. Imagine a world where every morning, you wake up with the fun chance to go on a treasure hunt. Each day has the promise of finding hidden boxes filled with gold coins, all from the comfort of your home. The way is shown on a digital map. Each step you take could lead to more treasures, and the excitement is in the air as you venture into the unknown. The game is exciting, the rewards are great. And the best part? Everyone is invited to play and discover a world filled with endless chances. Hold on to this exciting image as we get ready to jump into today's adventure. Now, welcome to Millionaire Ventures Online, your trusty friend on this fun journey into the heart of the online treasure land. Today, we've got a special map that will guide us through a path full of golden chances. It's a path that could lead us to discover riches beyond our wildest dreams. So, hit that subscribe button to stay updated as we uncover the secrets of this digital treasure hunt. Meet Emily, our fellow adventurer, working hard through the everyday jungle of her 9-to-5 job. The big bills are like thorny vines, holding her back, while the dream of having enough money seems like a faraway, shining treasure. Until one day, she finds a magical map that promises to lead her to the hidden treasures of financial security. Today, we'll follow Emily's steps, exploring the magic hidden in the online world, and how you too can start on a journey towards a treasure-filled life. The Crypto Arbitrage Voyage. Understanding crypto arbitrage. Imagine a big playground where kids are trading colorful stickers. In one corner, a shiny gold sticker is traded for 5 blue stickers, but in another corner, the same gold sticker is traded for 10 blue stickers. Now, replace the playground with the online world, stickers with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and the kids with traders. Welcome to the world of crypto arbitrage. You buy a Bitcoin at a lower price from one online place, and sell it at a higher price at another place. The difference in price is your treasure. For example, you buy a Bitcoin for $40,000 on a website named Coinbase and sell it for $41,000 on another website named Binance. You just made $1,000. Just like in our playground, in crypto arbitrage, the goal is to find these price differences and make some money from it. Every trade is a step towards filling your own treasure chest. Setting sail, exchanges and pairs. Let's step into a colorful garden, filled with different types of flowers. Think of each flower as a type of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Now, instead of a garden, we have online places called crypto exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. These are like big flower shops where you can exchange one type of flower for another, based on how rare or popular they are. For example, on Coinbase, you might exchange 1 Bitcoin, our rare, gold flower, for 30 Ethereum, our common, blue flowers. This exchange is called a trading pair, just like a pair of friends swapping stickers. Every exchange has its own set of trading pairs, and finding the right pair can lead you to a treasure. It's like finding a rare flower in the garden and trading it for many common flowers in return. This exciting exchange of flowers, or cryptocurrencies, opens up a path to finding hidden treasures in the digital world. Navigating the waters, arbitrage strategies. Picture a fun maze where at every turn, there's a chance to find some shiny coins. The world of crypto arbitrage is just like that maze, full of exciting strategies to make money. One simple strategy is like a straight path in our maze, where you buy a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin on one website where it's cheaper, and sell it on another website where it's priced higher. That difference in price is your shiny coin. Now, there's another path, a bit twisty, called triangular arbitrage. Here, you start with one cryptocurrency, trade it for another, then trade that for yet another. And finally, trade it back for the first one, all on the same website, but ending up with more than you started. For example, you start with Bitcoin, trade it for Ethereum, then Ethereum for Litecoin, and Litecoin back for Bitcoin, and voila, you have more Bitcoin. Each strategy is like a different path in the maze, leading to exciting treasures of profit. Tools of the trade, bots and platforms. Imagine having a magical helper who can quickly run through the maze, finding all the shiny coins for you. In the world of crypto arbitrage, we have special helpers called arbitrage bots. They are like speedy runners who can zip through the maze, making trades for you. They are super fast and can spot those shiny coins much quicker than you can. Websites like Arbitrage or Bitscap are like your team of helpers, offering these magical bots to guide you. They help you trade cryptocurrencies efficiently, making sure you collect as many shiny coins as possible. With these tools, you're not just walking through the maze, you're zooming through, collecting treasures along the way. Steering through the storms, risks and solutions. Just like a surprise rain can spoil a sunny picnic, there are unexpected hiccups in crypto arbitrage too. One hiccup is the fee that some websites charge to trade, like a small entry fee to a fun fair. Another hiccup is when prices change quickly before you can make a trade, like a sudden change in weather. But don't worry, with a good plan, like having a raincoat ready, you can enjoy your picnic or make profitable trades. For instance, keeping a close eye on fees and market prices is like checking the weather forecast before heading out. Also, using smart tools like trading bots, it's like having a magical umbrella to keep the rain away and help you enjoy your treasure hunt in the crypto world. So with the right preparations, you can tackle the hiccups and keep collecting shiny coins in your treasure chest. The treasure map, identifying opportunities. In the exciting game of crypto arbitrage, finding the right trading chance is like finding a hidden treasure map. With this map, your chances of finding treasure are much higher. Tools like Coinigy or CryptoCompare are like special magnifying glasses that help you read this treasure map. They help you spot where to buy low and sell high, like pointing where the treasure is buried in a big playground. For example, Coinigy might show that Bitcoin is cheaper on exchange A and more expensive on exchange B. This information is like a big red X on your treasure map, telling you exactly where to dig to find your shiny coins. So, with these tools, you're much closer to finding and collecting treasures in the crypto arbitrage playground. Docking at Profit Island. Every successful trade in crypto arbitrage is like finding a treasure chest in a magical forest. As you collect more treasure chests, your wealth grows, like having a bigger and bigger pile of shiny coins. It's a thrilling adventure, with each trade being a new journey towards finding more treasure. For example, let's say you found a good trade and made $100 profit. That's one treasure chest. Now, imagine finding such trades every day. Your pile of shiny coins keeps growing. And the best part? The more you explore, the better you get at finding these treasures. So with each successful trade, it's like you are finding a new treasure map leading you to Profit Island, where your treasure chest keeps getting bigger and bigger. Starting your crypto arbitrage adventure. Today, you learned along with Emily that the world of crypto arbitrage is like a big fair with many exciting games to play. Each game gives you a chance to win some shiny coins. You've learned how to play these games, from understanding how to trade, to using special tools like bots to help you play better. Now, crypto arbitrage is like your ticket to this fair, leading you to many winning games. So, whenever you think of making money, remember, your ticket to the crypto arbitrage fair is always ready, and the games to win shiny coins are endless. This adventure is not just about collecting coins. It's about enjoying the games, discovering new ways to win, and celebrating each win with joy. Now it's your turn to enter the fair. Join us on Millionaire Ventures Online again for more fun games and chances to win. Hit that subscribe button to be the first to know when a new game is on. The more you click, share, and subscribe, the closer you get to winning more shiny coins. So, with excitement, step into the world of crypto arbitrage. Each day brings new games to play, learn, and enjoy as your collection of shiny coins grows. The fun of making money is just a click away. Let crypto arbitrage be your guide to this exciting fair of making money. Until our next fun day at the fair, keep trading, keep winning, and stay excited with crypto arbitrage. Your next fun day on Millionaire Ventures Online is just around the corner. So, are you ready to enjoy and win?